In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Grammarly pop-up. If those little Grammarly cards and rewrite prompts keep popping up while you're typing in your browser, I'll show you two simple ways to calm them down or switch them off so you can focus. First, open your browser and head to a neutral page like Google. This just gives us a clean place to access the Grammarly extension. Look to the upper right of your browser toolbar and click the Grammarly icon. If you don't immediately see it, it may be tucked behind your extensions menu. Open that and select Grammarly to bring up its panel. In the panel, click All Settings. This opens Grammarly's settings page in a new tab. On the left side, choose Writing. Then open the section called Your Preferences. We're going to reduce the types of suggestions that tend to trigger the most visible pop-ups. Find the option labeled Rewrite Text for better overall quality and switch it off. Disabling this reduces Grammarly's broader rewrite prompts that often appear as larger pop-ups. Next, look for Rewrite Sentences for clarity and toggle that off as well. With both of these turned off, Grammarly will still catch basic issues, but it won't push those larger rewrite cards nearly as often, which means fewer interruptions while you type. If you want an even quicker way to stop pop-ups across your browser, there's an alternative right from the extension. Click the Grammarly icon again to open the Quick Settings panel. Here, look for the option called Check Text with Browser Extension and turn that off. This effectively stops the extension from scanning text fields in your browser, which removes the pop-ups entirely on the sites you visit. A couple of tips as you choose which approach to use. Turning off the two rewrite options keeps core spelling and grammar checks running, but dramatically cuts down on the pop-ups. Turning off check text with browser extension is the most decisive option if you don't want any in-browser Grammarly prompts at all. Just remember that you'll need to turn it back on when you want Grammarly to check your writing again. None of these changes are permanent. You can toggle them on any time if you decide you want more feedback. That's it. You now have a cleaner, quieter typing experience without the Grammarly pop-up getting in the way. If this helped, consider re-enabling features only when you need them, so you keep control over how much feedback you see while you write.